welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to the skin tends to shed every month and you can actually wait for it to happen. However, what you might notice on your skin is that during the process your skin looks dull, your skin does not have that bright glow that help our skin to look fresh and bright. However, guys, you do not have to go on with the shedding. What you can do, you can speed up the process. To speed up that process is to exfoliate the skin. Exfoliating the skin have to get rid of the dead skin cells and have to get rid of the shedding a little faster than norm. Therefore, you will have bright, radiant, glowing skin way before the month is over. So guess what, guys? I'm going to use a natural ingredient today to make a facial scrub. It's a very unique facial scrub, but it gets the job done. This mixture is going to get rid of the dead skin cells. It's going to brighten the skin. It's going to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. And if you have large open pores, this is also going to help to clean them out so that they could shrink, so you can have smooth skin, firm skin, clear looking skin, fresh looking skin, glass like skin with that natural glow. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. Let's start whipping this up. And guess what, guys? I'm using ingredient that most of you already have in your kitchen. How easy is that? So let's go do this really quick. And listen out, guys. I'm going to tell you all about the ingredients that I'm using. Now, if this is your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. And don't forget to watch the video to the end. Now let's go make this remedy. Now the first ingredient is potato, and I'm using Irish potato, also known as white potato. Today I'm going to be using a half of a medium potato. So what I'm going to do with this to prepare is I'm going to peel and I'm also going to grate. If you have a blender, go ahead and blend. Now after peeling, let me reach for the grater. And now I'm going to grate the potato. You want to use the finer side of the grater. So just grate. And while you're grating, this might be turning a little dark because the potato is now being exposed to air. Not to worry, the potato is still very much good. Now once we grate the potato, take a look. Here we have our grated potato. And this is what we're going to use to make our facial scrub. Let me get rid of this piece right here. And my next ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is also sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. Now I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the baking soda. Pour this over our potato, and we're going to just mix this in. We're using this to get rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin. We're using this to get rid of rough skin. We're using this to brighten the skin. This is good for the face, the neck, your knees, your elbows, you name it. Now once this is done, this is our 2 ingredient. What we're going to do, we are going to add a little bit of a moisturizer to this. And today I'm going to be using some grapeseed oil. However, if you have coconut oil, go ahead and use that. Just a little touch, 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. Coconut oil or the grapeseed oil. Pour that in. And now we're going to fold this in. So this is just 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients can help to transform the skin. Take your skin to the next level. Now once this is done, we are going to place this in the refrigerator to chill. So go ahead and chill your remedy in the refrigerator. Chill for about an hour. And then this is ready to use to exfoliate the skin. Now let me demonstrate on my hands for you really quick. You're going to take a generous amount. You're going to take a generous amount. You're going to place it on your face wherever you're trying to clear hyperpigmentation. And you're going to use this to just scrub your face. Scrub your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And you're going to do this for about 3 minutes or so. I'm just demonstrating on my hands for you to see how fast and effective this really is. So I'm just exfoliating my hands right now. And guys, take a look at this. This is what I want to show you, how fast and effective this is. You can see the difference, but let me rinse this off really quick for you to see what is going on. I'm just going to rinse off right here.
and I'm rinsing off with cold water. And look at that, guys. You can see how clear my hands is looking right there compared to this one. And even if I wet this one, it's not going to be as clear as this is. This is fast acting, guys. If you have rough skin, if you have blackheads and whiteheads, and you're looking for a smooth skin, you're looking for clean, naturally glowing skin, then try this recipe. As a matter of fact, what do you have to lose? Nothing. What do you have to gain? Bright, clear, radiant, glowing skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. Just an amazing recipe, guys. An amazing remedy for most skin type.
And there you have it, a very simple recipe, guys. However, a very effective recipe. If you're just starting out to take care of your skin and you're like, oh my goodness, I don't know what to try, this one is for you, especially if you're looking to get rid of the pigmentation. If you have the rough skin, just go ahead and whip it up. And here's a little beauty secret, guys. This is also good for the neck and décolleté exfoliate, especially if you have like darker looking neck. This is just amazing. Good for all your joints also, dark joints and elbows. So don't forget, guys, use it up, mix it up, use it up, and you're on your way to not only smooth face, but also clean, clear looking neck and décolleté. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, guys, I have my Instagram and I have my Facebook page, and I also have Snapchat, I have Twitter, I have TikTok, and all those links are below in the description box. So follow me on my other platforms. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.